Downtime isn't just a nuisance, it's lost revenue. Imagine your payment system freezing during peak sales, or your document server crashing in the middle of a major case. Security threats don't wait, and as your operations get more complex, relying on basic IT just isn't enough. The reality is, managed IT services have become business critical. In fact, 25 to 30% of the overall IT services market has already shifted to managed services, making resilience the new standard. As Chad Cunningham from Ironclad TEK puts it, resilience is built, not hoped for. Managed IT gives you the foundation to grow with confidence. When your server fails, you face emergency costs and unexpected downtime. Managed IT services protect your budget with set monthly bills, guarantee faster fixes, and keep your team productive. With continuous monitoring and proactive updates, threats are handled before they hit, so you can focus on real business growth. You deal with relentless complexity and risk every day. Managed IT services aren't just about outsourcing headaches. They help your business survive and grow. Large enterprises already account for over 60% of total managed services use, proving expert management wins at scale. Today, 3 in 4 firms demand transformation, not just maintenance. To learn how managed IT services can give your business stability, growth, and peace of mind, read the full article on the Ironclad TEK website, and don't forget to add us to your Spotify playlist.